Alright guys, welcome back to Walton Technology. Today we got something a little different. I'm going to unbox a BLU View 2 for you from Tracfone. This is a Tracfone device, can be used on any Tracfone wireless service. Tracfone does actually use all three major service providers, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. So that way you do have service throughout the US. They've got reasonable prices. I personally do not use Tracfone, I use Verizon, but this is an excellent option if you don't use your phone very much and you just want to have a phone around for emergencies, a loved one, something of that nature. You want to be able to get a hold of somebody that way. So it's a good phone. We're going to unbox it today and go over it. If I can ever open it. So you did a good job gluing it together on this. Okay, get it out of the box. Don't need that anymore. Go ahead and peel it open on this side. Get the phone itself out. And we do have battery to install. Man, I remember the days when phones, we were doing batteries on phones. That was so nice, just be able to change out your battery. You can still do that on some of these phones. I won't say the lower end of the market, I'll just say the cheaper phones that are available today. So we've got your main device, your battery, and your back cover. Then we've got your quick start guide to help you get through the easy stuff. Terms and conditions of Tracfone, card telling you about placing it. And then we have a charging block. This open. My blue charging block, and then this is going to be your charging cord. So we're not going to go through how to activate your Tracfone. If you were going to activate it, your serial number's here, your SIM card's here. But we're not going to activate it. We're actually just going to use this phone on Wi-Fi, and for my upcoming trip to the Philippines, we're going to use it for filming. So it does have some nice features for the amount of money that you pay for the phone. I only paid $29.99 for it plus tax. So the Android device itself, we're going to go ahead and take this front cover off. The Android device itself comes with Android 11 built into it. Put this battery in the right way. Take this screen protector off the camera. Throw the back cover on here. If you were to use the SIM is mounted right here. And then also all your information for your phone for activation is in there. And then you do have a micro SD slot where you could put expandable memory on the phone. We're not going to throw that in there right now. We're just going to go ahead and get the cover put on the phone. It does have a place to charge here. And let's go ahead and power it on. And look, we are getting some power from the factory. We'll get this cable out of the way and that out of the way and go over some of the specs while it's coming on. So it does have Android 11.0. It's got a 5.5-inch HD display. Battery talk time, 13 hours. Standby time, 17 days. It's got Wi-Fi calling capabilities. It's got internal memory of 32 gigabyte. Then it does also give you the ability to download apps from the Google Play Store. It does, like I said, supports micro SD. Memory card up to 128 gig, not included. 13 megapixel rear camera. We got the 8 megapixel front camera. So it does have a decent camera for 30 bucks. I mean, pretty cheap, but still pretty nice camera. That's a lot of megapixels for $30. It does have GPS coordinates capability, 2.0 gigahertz quad core processor. It has Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology, and it has hearing aid compatible rating of M323. So it's a decent phone for 30 bucks. The actual model number is Blue B131, D as in David, L as in Lucy. So let's get into it, guys. Let's set this up. So we're gonna just click start here. I'm gonna connect it to Wi-Fi real quick. All right, so now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Taking a minute. It's probably checking for the latest software update. All right. So we got this. We're going to go ahead and go through the setup. So we're going to go ahead here and click on next. Choose an old device. Can't use an old device. We're going to set this up brand new. Okay, so I'm going to skip the Google sign up right now. We're going to go ahead and skip. You can't download apps or anything without doing Google. We're going to go ahead. It wants to use your location. It wants to allow scanning for Wi-Fi or nearby service networks or Bluetooth. We're not going to send usage data to Google because I just don't like doing that. So we're going to go ahead and allow those two things, but we're going to skip the sending usage data. So you can add a PIN code to the phone if you wanted to. We're going to skip that for now. Go ahead and get into the main setup of the phone here. So this is Tracfone's applications, and we're just going to cancel those out and hit accept. Okay, now we are on the main phone page, and it's actually for the type of phone it is. It's pretty smooth transitions. I have to say for $30, I'm pretty impressed. So you can turn your Wi-Fi on and off, your Bluetooth on and off, flashlight. So flashlights could be better, but 30 bucks, you know. You got auto rotate on right now, where you can rotate the device automatically. So Facebook, Google Chrome, FM radio if you use a headset, you know, Play Store, My Sites, YouTube Studio if you want to become YouTube famous. Then, you know, YouTube, let's load YouTube up and play a video on it so you guys can see decent video quality of the actual device. So let's just scroll down. Find a random video. little bit of a lag there, but some of that could be due to my internet. Let's just go to CNN. So just a quick video there. We'll skip the ads and make it big screen here. Let us know we're not being big screen. Get the description out of the way. Actually, that's pretty decent quality for what it is. Let's try to change it to highest picture quality.
What does that tell you about how much Vladimir Putin fears, or frankly, does not fear now, international outrage over his actions?
Turn captions on and off inside the YouTube app.
Good morning. I think he's looking at this basically as if he's
okay.
Really in
We
control
turn that to 1080p. Let's let it load for a second.
Right now, he is thinking that he can act
so,
with impunity.
Yeah, pretty decent video quality, I have to say. I'm pretty impressed with this little device. The speaker is pretty decent loud. I am actually not going to use this device as a phone. We are going to close off that window. And we're actually just going to use this phone as like a video recording device on my next international trip I got coming up next year. So thanks guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good time.